Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add any name to iPhone lock screen. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, open the App Store app on your iPhone. So go to the search section and search any text, wait for it. So any text lock screen widgets, tap to install this app. So wait for it. So after installing this app, open the application. So wait, open it from here. So simply tap on get started and enter any name here you want to write. So I am simply type YK tech. So tap on done, tap on OK. So simply go back and go back. So lock your iPhone now. So lock your iPhone. So after locking your iPhone, tap and hold on the screen. So after tap and hold on the screen, tap on customize lock screen, tap on add widget here. So scroll down, tap on any text here, tap on the first and close and tap on done. So here you can see guys, the custom name is showing on the lock screen and done. So here you can see guys. So guys, here is a simple method to write your name on your iPhone lock screen and iOS 16 version. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.